Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuhu. In a pleasant morning to each and everyone. This morning, I will share to you my mental health break gratitude immersion for that day, 5 days. On the first day, I started by doing laundry of all our dirty clothes and cleaning the house. On the second day of my mental health break, we went to the mountain to bond with my family. We ate vegetables, there had a dry picnic in the mountains, and shared a meal of mountain food. We also grilled some fish, shared a papaya, and walked around the mountain because the breeze was so nice and we could hear many birds chirping and other sounds. Most of all, the bonding was worth it, it was the fun to be together as a family. There are so many vegetables in the mountain that you can eat if you're not picky about the food. There are also coconuts if you want to drink and eat. There are also plenty of water if you want to take a bath. That's why we're happy when we go to the mountains for a dry picnic because even if we don't have a viand, if we pick vegetables that already are viand on the third day of my mental health break, I just stay at home taking care of my little daughter. If it is holiday this is the time that I'm a full-time mom to her because when there are classes, I just leave her with my mother home. So I make the most of taking care of her while there are no classes. We bond at home and just clean our surroundings and house, and then it's time for her to sleep in the sunshine. I let her sleep. When she wakes up, we walk around the house and she plays with her child friends and I just watch over her, and that's all that happened during my mental health break. My 5 days of gratitude for my mental health break are deeply felt because when there's a mental health break, I get to spend more time bonding with my family. I am also able to give my child time to be cared and be with her all day or whole day. My little family and I always eat together. I'm also thankful every day because Alhamdulillah, the Almighty Allah always blessed our family and we don't struggle with our daily lives. In our small home, I'm also thankful for my husband because he still encouraged me to study even when problems comes our way. We never give up. We just keep fighting for our dreams. In this activity is we have two questions to be answered. The first question is which activity or mindful immersion helped you the most and why? For my answer, my activity helped me the most is the nature walk and bonding with family because nature walk helped me reduce stress. Being in nature can calm the mind and body and also can support our physical health. Walking can improve cardiovascular health and reduce inflammation, and also bonding with family. Ito ay nakakatulong sa ating mga pamilya para mas mapatibay ang pagsasamahan natin ng ating mga pamilya at para madaming mga memories o memorya na magagawa kasama ang pamilya natin. Time is gold nga, ika nga. And the number 2 questions is, what is one concrete commitment you will make to your mental health after the break? I will commit daily meditations. To commit meditating for 10 to 15 minutes each day to calm my mind and reduce stress para naman di masobrahan, para ma-fresh naman ang mind natin kung may gagawing ibang mga activities sa school or mga kung may mga pinapagawa ang ating mga teachers. Lalo na ngayon, napapalapit na rin ang mga proposal. So, may stress ang brain natin sa paggawa. Kaya, dapat bigyan din natin ng rest kahit 10 to 15 minutes lamang para hindi tayo ma-depress. And that's all for my mental health break 5 days mindful immersion and gratitude. Thank you.